Welcome to our special bedtime story, designed to help you relax and learn English at the same time. Let's get comfortable, take a slow, deep breath, and begin our peaceful journey into the night. Imagine a small, fluffy kitten. This kitten has soft, white fur, like freshly fallen snow. Its eyes are the color of a summer sky, big and curious. Tonight, the kitten finds a cozy spot in a quiet bedroom. The room is filled with soft things: a plush rug, a pile of warm blankets on the bed, and fluffy pillows. The air is still and peaceful. The kitten, let's call her Luna, climbs onto a soft chair right beside a large window. Outside, the world is dark, but the sky is not empty. A big round moon hangs high above, shining like a gentle lantern. Its light is soft and silvery, pouring into the room and casting long, quiet shadows. The moonbeams dance on the floor and make everything look magical. Luna sits very still, watching the moon. She is fascinated by its gentle glow. The bright light of the day is gone, replaced by this calm, serene radiance. The hustle and bustle of the day have faded away, leaving only this quiet moment. The room feels so calm, so peaceful. It's a perfect time for rest. A few tiny stars begin to appear in the dark sky, twinkling like little diamonds scattered on a velvet cloth. Luna watches them, her little head tilted. She can hear the soft rustle of leaves outside, moved by a gentle night breeze. The breeze whispers a lullaby to the sleeping world. It's a soothing sound, a sound that says everything is okay. It's time to rest. Inside the room, a small night light on a table gives off a warm, amber glow. It adds to the feeling of warmth and comfort. The light is not bright, just a soft presence that makes the room feel safe and snug. Luna feels the warmth from the light and the comfort of the soft chair. She feels completely at ease. Luna yawns, a tiny, adorable yawn, showing her little pink tongue. Her eyelids feel heavy. The day was full of play and exploration, but now her energy is gone. She curls up into a small, furry ball on the chair. Her tail wraps around her body like a soft scarf. She tucks her nose under her paw, getting ready for a long, deep sleep. The moonlight continues to stream through the window, bathing her in its gentle, silvery light. The room is a sanctuary of calm. The only sound is the very soft, rhythmic purring that comes from Luna. It's a happy, contented sound, the sound of a creature feeling safe, warm, and loved. Her little body rises and falls with each quiet breath. The world outside is asleep, and Luna is joining it. She dreams of chasing moonbeams and dancing with stars. In her dreams, she is light and free, floating through the peaceful night sky. The calm of the room has seeped into her dreams, making them sweet and gentle. There are no worries, no noises, just pure, tranquil rest. As Luna sleeps, the moon watches over her, a silent guardian in the night sky. The stars keep twinkling, and the gentle breeze keeps whispering its lullaby. The bedroom remains a haven of peace, a perfect place to recharge and rest. The warmth from the nightlight and the comfort of the soft chair hold her in a gentle embrace. Now, let's review some of the words from our story. Kitten. A kitten is a baby cat. The small kitten rested by the window. Moon. The moon is the large round object we see in the night sky. The moon was bright and beautiful. Still. Still means not moving. The kitten sat very still, watching the night. Calm.com means peaceful and quiet. The room felt very calm and safe. Warmth. Warmth is the feeling of being warm. The nightlight gave off a gentle warmth. Comfort. Comfort is a feeling of being relaxed and at ease. The soft blanket provided great comfort. Let's say them one more time. Kitten, moon, still calm. Warmth, comfort. As you close your eyes, Imagine you are in that quiet room. Feel the warmth and comfort surrounding you. See the gentle light of the moon. Listen to the soft sounds of the night. Let the feeling of calm wash over you, just like it did for the little kitten. Allow yourself to drift into a deep and peaceful sleep. Thank you for joining me tonight. I hope this story helps you relax and have wonderful dreams. Sleep well.